Accused Gilgo Beach serial killer Rex Heuermann returned to court today on Long Island. His lawyers are asking the judge to throw out DNA evidence against him. And meanwhile, Heuermann and his estranged wife have reached a divorce settlement. She filed for divorce shortly after he was arrested for murder. Eyewitness News reporter Chanteé Lans has more from the courthouse in Riverhead.
Star witness Dr. Kelly Harris, a scientist and Harvard graduate, now working as an associate professor at the University of Washington, takes the stand in the Fry hearing for accused Gilgo Beach serial killer Rex Heuermann. His lawyers are asking Suffolk County Judge Timothy Mazie to toss out some of the DNA evidence collected by prosecutors. The evidence in question is over nuclear DNA results obtained from hairs recovered from 6 victims. Heuermann, a Manhattan architect from Massapequa Park and father of 2, is accused of killing 7 of the 10 Gilgo Beach murder victims. All 7 victims are women, mostly sex workers killed between 1993 and 2011. He pleaded not guilty to all murder charges. The DNA match came from a technique called whole genome sequencing, which has never been used in New York state courts. But Dr. Harris, who is an expert in the technique, testified in court that it is reliable. A prosecutor asked her, is that generally accepted within the scientific community? Dr. Harris responding with, it is. This all happening as Heuermann's daughter Victoria and his estranged wife Asa Ellerup attend his evidence hearing. Heuermann and Asa have reached a settlement in their divorce. After 29 years of marriage, the paperwork for the uncontested divorce was signed by both last night.
She has a difficult time throughout this whole process believing the husband that she was married to for 29 years now was capable of committing these horrific acts. It was even more concerning that her hair and her daughter's hair were found on some of these victims, so this process is very important to getting closure for her and her family.
A judge now has to finalize the divorce. As far as Heuermann's evidence hearing, there will be more witnesses called on different days in the coming weeks. In Riverhead, Chanteé Lans, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.